Hello, welcome to Growingendless. For everyone that's new here, thank you so much for watching. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. And today, I know y'all can probably already tell what I'm going to be doing by my thumbnail. Yes, my LED finally came. I am so happy, y'all. My LED light is from Vivosun to match my Vivosun Grow Tent. Yes, and I'm going to hang up my light up, and I'm going to be showing the special features of this light. So come on, y'all. I'm showing y'all how it comes boxed and all of that good stuff. So this is how it comes boxed. It comes with the instruction manual. Isn't it a beauty? Isn't she gorgeous? Okay, let's read the instruction manual. Let's see what's all included. It comes with the 200-watt LED light, 2 rope hangers, 120V power cord, grow room glasses. Ooh, that's pretty cool. 1.5 M telephone wire, RJ11 3-way telephone cable splitter. Wow, great. Also, it has the suggested hanging distance and suggested lighting time. That's pretty cool, especially for me as I'm a beginner, for that to have that in there. Those are going to be some helpful tips. Also, it has the warranty terms in here. All the specifications listed on the side. I'll name some. Light source, Samsung LM31D, spectrum, full spectrum. Input power 200 watt 100/100. Frequency 50 to 60 Hz. Fixed dimensions 23.5 L by 11.8. Weight 9.03 pounds. And it has a lot of important information stuff in here. So when y'all order y'all's, make sure you read the inside of it. But I'm so anxious, y'all. I'm ready to get this bad boy hung up and go ahead and get my process started. So let's hang it up. Let's get it out the box. As y'all can see, I did installation off of camera. It was real simple, easy. Took about 5 minutes. I'm gonna give y'all a talk through of it. So let's go. Okay, you got your rope hanging here. You have 2 of them, 1 for each side. Take it here, put it through the hole here. Take it up top to your top rack. Hook it, rope it around to whatever height, or lower it to however height you want it to be. Go to the other side, do the same thing. We got our power cord. Make sure that is pushed in to the power input selection on the side of your light. And make sure it's also plugged into your outlet. And that's basically it. I hope y'all got y'all shades on. I got my Vivosun shades. We get ready to power this bad boy up. So let's go. I'm gonna just play with some different lighting settings. So this is 25%. 50%, 75%, 100%. Y'all see my Vivosun shades? I'm really excited about these. Yeah, what y'all think? It's such beauty, gang. It's beautiful. Such a beauty. Gorgeous. Okay. And that's going to conclude my Vivosun LED light setup. If you like the content you see, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. So when I upload content, you will be notified. Say bye, Bruno. Tell him bye. Y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. And let's grow together.